We are all sending and receiving hundreds of emails every day, and consumers are getting bombarded with sales outreach more than ever before. These days, you need to stand out to get noticed. Including video in your email marketing strategy is proven to increase your click-through rate and open rate. Plus, it makes you stand out from everybody else. Hey there, this is Ina from Kashu. Today we'll talk about the best practices in adding videos to your email marketing campaign and what mistakes to avoid. Let's get started. Let's start with the basics. 89% of marketers use video as a primary channel for getting leads. Email is a highly effective channel for businesses of all shapes and sizes because we are all used to sending and receiving emails. And using video in your email is one of the best ways to increase your conversions. Why? Because videos are engaging and effective. People always prefer to watch a video rather than read text. You can embed videos in almost every email marketing campaign you can think of. It all depends on your goal and the type of video you'd like to use. The reason why videos are so effective is that they simplify complex ideas, especially for B2B companies. In fact, including the word video in your subject text can increase open rates by 6%, and adding an engaging video thumbnail can increase your clicks by 50%. We'll talk about adding thumbnails later in this video because they're vital for increasing your click-through rate and open rates. The other important thing about videos is that you can build a library of them and use them on different channels to get even better results. But there is a little problem. Some email providers don't allow you to embed videos within your message. So how to add your videos to your email marketing campaign? Actually, the fact that some email providers don't allow you to embed videos in the email directly is good news, because linking a video to an external page can help you capture other details of your audience that would help you make better decisions in your future email campaigns. The best approach, in my experience, is to add a catchy thumbnail either at the start, middle, or end of the email and add a little play button on it to indicate that the image links to a video. Then you can hyperlink it to a page in your website or video hosting provider and gather a lot more information like the average view duration of your video, the clicks, the views, repeat views, etc. You can also hyperlink a word from your email or add a CTA button, but I would recommend you do this with an image instead. That would increase your click-through rate big time. So to summarize, here is the best way to embed a video in your email. Upload your video to a video hosting site like YouTube or Vimeo or your website. Add an engaging thumbnail with a play button on it. Link the picture of the thumbnail with the link from the video. As I mentioned before, having a catchy thumbnail can increase your click-through rate by 50%. This is very important, and if you nail this part, you can see massive success with your campaigns. So here are 5 tips on how to create a thumbnail that makes your audience click. First, use a high-quality image. Avoid using screenshots from the video. That would make the thumbnail look boring. It has to be custom. Add a catchy text on the screen that makes people take action. Use a pain point your customers have or something to grab their interest. You can also create a GIF. And last but not least, focus on you. People don't like generic images as thumbnails. They prefer to see people instead of graphics. Let's take a look at a good thumbnail. In this thumbnail, you can see my face and my emotion. The text I have there complements the title. Notice that I didn't repeat the text from the video title, but added a different one so that it could grab people's attention. Now that you know how to embed your video and create a catchy thumbnail, let's talk about the best practices for adding video to your email campaigns. Adding the word video in the subject line can be super powerful. Test it to see how it affects your CTR. Here are a few examples. Make sure your video has captions. These days, many people watch videos with their sound turned off, so you want to ensure they're still getting the message. Using GIF thumbnails can skyrocket your CTR too. Not every platform supports them, but most do. So think about adding an animated thumbnail or a GIF. Add the video to your email signature. You're sending out many emails per day, so why not add it there too? And last but not least, perform tests. Every company is different, and what has worked for us might not work for your company. So A/B test your campaigns with different subject lines, thumbnails, and text to see what converts best. If you're serious about adding video to your email campaigns but unsure how to get started, download our free ebook on how to create your video marketing funnel The link is in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, I would appreciate if you like, comment, and share. Thank you very much for your time and see you next week.